Hi, my name is Arch, and this is my tiny house office. I built it during the pandemic. It was so much fun that I decided to build another tiny house cabin down on a property that my brother and I own in southern Ohio. I documented the process, so join me along my journey to build this off-grid tiny house cabin out of reclaimed materials and learn some new things along with me. Welcome to my neck of the woods. Alright, so the weather cleared up quite a bit, and so we're going to try to see if we can get the stove installed. So I've got a guide gear stove, and I ordered it online. It was about 160 bucks. And what we're doing here is we're going to start by putting some bricks down for the stove to sit on top of. We'll put this heat shield behind it so it doesn't get too hot, and then if we have time, hopefully we'll run the stove piping up through the roof and get that all sorted. So yeah, it should be a lot of fun.
And do you want it, you're just gonna go vertical straight up with it?
Yeah, I was gonna keep it like it's laying, I guess. And yeah.
Oh, I see it. Watch yourself. Here, a little bit. Yeah. Go put it against the big one. Now go. Somewhat secure.
And with that, it was time to lay the foundation for the stove.
About 12 inches by about 18. That should be
would be good, right?
4 wide, yeah. It's gonna about, I would do two lengthwise, and then doing the or actually no, put these ones lengthwise.
What do you mean?
Like put it vertically this way.
These ones?
Then just on either side, so like 2 and 2. No, like no.
I don't know what you mean.
Push this over there, and now do another row of vertical, and that should be.
These are a little bit longer though. I want those to be squared. I think I'll just do it this way.
It's just that you're not going to have the length that you need. It's going to be
I'll do 3.
You want it to be extra?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
It's okay.
Man, this comes with everything.
Oh yeah.
You said it was 100 and some odd bucks?
Yeah.
That's not
It's
bad
a good
at all.
deal.
How tall is it?
Hopefully tall enough. But I'm not exactly sure. I was looking online. It looks like it's gonna work.
It's really just kind of tedious. Okay, so the next thing is to flip this over. And you need to put this on the inside. I almost put it on the top, but you need to put it on the inside, and then the rest of the remaining screws are to attach it that way. Go ahead. Okay.
You want me to go ahead?
Just wondering how tall they're going to be.
Again, you got another
Right.
3 inches.
Still. That's not going to be tall enough, is it? Yeah. Alright, how far away are we?
Pretty far? Pretty far. It'd be great if you could go right up on the other side of that. You need like one more of these. Really do.
Alright, so we got most of the stove installed. However, this is the last stovepipe, but as you can see, it just kind of reaches the roof. So we really need another one of these stovepipes here so that we can actually clear the roof. So I don't know if I'm going to need to order that online or if I can pick it up somewhere, but we did get most of it done. We just have to get through the roof. So we've got the heat shield installed, we've got sitting on some bricks, and we've got the bricks framed in. So really it's ready to go except for cutting a hole in the roof and getting one more stovepipe and getting that part finished. So we'll revisit that at another time and get that part taken care of. Sorry for rain again. Okay, that's why they did it. It's not too bad. Oh, you know what? Some of these are in the way. Some of these need cut. Yes, yeah. Alright, so that's it for today. We got a lot done. First of all, we've gotten 2 windows installed. We only have 1 more left to go. We got a door installed for the most part. We got a few more things. I do need to put the some kind of wood around the windows on the inside so that it's a little bit more airtight. Another thing I'm going to do is run to Lowe's or someplace and get some caulking, and I'm going to caulk the exterior where all the gaps are because we used wood that wasn't overlapping so that we could, you know, use more material or get more material as coverage, but that left some gaps, and so I want to cover those up. And then we also need to get another stovepipe for the stove, and so we can actually extend it all the way up through the roof. So that's what's on the agenda, hopefully for tomorrow. Eventually at some point I need to install some bunk beds, and then this place should be done. So looking forward to actually being able to use this hunting season, which is coming up in a few weeks, and so that'll be a lot of fun. And really that's about it. So if you enjoyed watching this, please like and subscribe to check out future episodes. And thanks for visiting my neck of the woods. I'll see you next time. And of course I couldn't leave you without your moment of zen. So here's that, plus some shots at the cabin.